Assalamualaikum semua. Selamat pagi Jumaat. Apa khabar anda? Dah bercuti selama 2 hari? Dekat anda gembira? Okey, kali ni kita akan teruskan santai bersama kita kali ni pada pagi Jumaat. Okey, kita akan membincangkan tentang topik karbon compound bersama Madam Ella dan juga Madam Zuraidah. So kita nak buang masa awak semua, kita teruskan perkongsian kita pagi ini kepada Madam Ella. Okey, Madam Ella silakan.
Okey, terima kasih pada Puan Azilwati. Okey, Assalamualaikum semua. Okey, harap semua berada dalam keadaan yang baik. Okey, so tanpa membuang masa, okey, kita akan discuss tentang topik CARBONYL. Okey. Okey, tunggu sebentar. Saya akan share screen. Okey. Alright. Okey. Alright, topik kita hari ini ialah berkenaan tentang carbonyl compound. Okay, carbonyl compound. Okay, actually what is the carbonyl compound? Okay, carbonyl compound is actually compound that have carbonyl group. Okay, so you boleh nampak dekat sini carbonyl group Alright. Okay, mana dia carbonyl? Okay, this one is carbonyl. Alright. Okay, C double bond O. Okay, actually we have two class of compound that have carbonyl group. Okay, we have aldehyde. Okay, this one is aldehyde. Alright, sorry tulisan. Okay, and then this ketone. Okay guys. Okay, maaflah ada gangguan. Okay, ketone. Okay. Okay, so if you look for the difference between the aldehyde and ketone, so we can see at the carbonyl carbon. Okay, carbonyl carbon, so we have hydrogen atom. Okay, carbonyl carbon, we have hydrogen atom. Okay, if you look for this compound, okay, CHO, this is not actually alcohol. Okay, this is actually, we can see this one is C double bond OH, that is aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde. Okay, so that we have hydrogen atom near to the carbonyl carbon. Okay, what's the difference between aldehyde and ketone? So ketone we have C double bond O, R, and R. Okay, this is R, that is carbon. Okay, this is also same. C double bond O, R, R. Okay, guys. Okay, we try to naming what is how to name the aldehyde. Okay, actually aldehyde, the priority it should be carbon number 1. Carbon number 1. Okay, tengok Okay, carbon number 1 here. Alright. Okay. So if you look for the C double bond O as carbon number 1, this is become parent. So we have ethanol. Okay, and carbon number 2, we have cyclohexene. So that's why the name is 2-cyclohexene ethanol. Okay, so the suffix for the N will change to "-an", because that is aldehyde. Okay, this is we have 1, 2, 3. So this one is propanol. Okay, because we have 3 carbon. Okay, and have hydrogen near to the carbonyl carbon. Okay, guys, and this one is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, this is for the alkane that have joined in a ring. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde, and we have number 2. Okay, that is ethyl. Okay, that's why the name is 2-ethyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, guys. Okay, how about the ketone? Okay, ketone, if you look for the C double bond O, we have RR. So we need to put the number on the location of the carbon. Okay, so if you look for here, we have carbon double bond O on the 3rd carbon. So that's why the name is 3 pentanol. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 pentanol, and we have 2 methyl. So we have 2 methyl, 3 pentanol. Okay, the word non. Yeah, known. Okay. And then we have cyclopentanon. When we have a ring, that's referred to the alkane. C double bond O. Okay. Kalau tak faham, kena tengok sini lah. Okay, kita tengok cyclopentane. So, bila cyclopentane, dia ada double C double bond O, dia akan jadi cyclopentanon. Okay, guys. Okay, now name already. We already discussed about naming for the carbonyl. Alright, so let's we go to the reaction of the carbonyl. Actually, we have two types, preparation of carbonyl and also chemical reaction of carbonyl. Okay, preparation of carbonyl, that is oxidation reaction. Okay, we have two. When we react with PCC, PCC we call that is pyridinium chlorochromate in the inert solvent. As that is CH2Cl2 that will form aldehyde. Okay. And then when we react with the oxidation, the secondary alcohol, so react with the oxidizing agent that is KMNO4H plus heated so that we form ketone. Okay, for my part, I will discuss about chemical reaction for reduction and also addition. Yeah, okay. So let me look for the example directly. Okay, this is preparation of carbonyl compound. Okay, guys, so we have two types, that is oxidation. Primary alcohol will change to aldehyde. Okay, so example here is 1-butanol. Okay, 1-butanol because the carbon attached to only one carbon out here. Yeah, one carbon. Okay, kita tengok kat sini ya. Okay, and then the C have H. That's one OH. So primary alcohol will react to the PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. In CH2Cl2 will form butanol. Okay, butanol. Okay. The CH2OH will change to C double bond OH. Alright. Okay, that will change to aldehyde lah. Okay, if secondary alcohol, so we have, okay, so you can see two carbon on the COH, that is secondary alcohol. Okay, so that we, when we react with KMNO4H heated or potassium dichromate acid heated, so the product will be formed is ketone. What is the ketone here? There is cyclohexanol, where the COH you change into the C double bond O. Okay, and then the COH for the secondary alcohol, so we'll change to the ketone also, that will change to C double bond O R R. Okay, hopefully you can understand. So you can use that tree map to remember the reaction. Okay, and we continue to the next reaction, that is addition. So you can use breeze map here. Okay, addition. So we have addition with KCN, potassium nitrile, KCN, and potassium cyanide. Sorry, potassium cyanide in H plus in acidic medium, and also you can use sodium cyanide in acidic medium. Okay, so how I will show you how the reaction will happen out here. Okay, so from the KCN, okay, we take the CN and combine with C that have C double bond O. Okay, and the H will combine with the O from the C double bond O. And then the C double bond O now will change to the carbon single bond. Okay, before this we have sp2 carbon and will change to sp3 carbon. Okay, guys, and we will get cyanohydrin compound. Okay, okay, this is for addition of KCN H plus and NaCN H plus. Okay, very simple, guys. Yeah. Okay, for addition of water, so actually we form the germ diol compound. Okay, what is the germ diol? Okay, germ diol is mean the carbon that have two OH group at the same carbon. Yeah, two OH group at the same carbon. Okay, so from the H2O out here, there is water. Okay, we take the H and OH. Okay, kita keluarkanlah daripada H2O ni, HOH ni kita extract. Kita ambil, okay, H will react to the O. Maksudnya H will combine to the O and OH will combine to the C double bond O. Okay, so that will form germ diol. Germ diol, and we have two OH group at the same carbon. Okay, and this is reduction reaction. Okay, reduction reaction. So if you look, so we can use three different reagent. The function that is same, that is reducing agent, that is LIA. Saya panggil LIA lah. That is number one is LiAlH4. That's we call lithium aluminium tetrahydrate. Okay, number two followed by hydrolysis. Okay, guys. Okay, this reagent you need to write both. Okay, number one and number two. Okay. Okay, so what will happen? The aldehyde will change into primary alcohol. Okay, reduce. Will reduce to primary alcohol. So you can see 1R out here. Okay, and for the ketone, okay, we can see that is acetophenol. If you use different reagent, that is H2N nickel hydrogenation. Okay, so that will change to secondary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol. That means we have 2R near to the COH. Okay, that is carbonyl. Okay, if you look for this structure also, there is aldehyde. So we can use sodium borohydrate in methanol. So both of these reagents, so you need to write. Okay, there is sodium borohydrate in methanol. The aldehyde will turn into what? Guys, if aldehyde should be primary alcohol. Why aldehyde? Because this is carbonyl that have hydrogen. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, so kita akan sambung pada Madam Zuraidah. Okay, so jumpa lagi. Okay, sambung.
Terima kasih.
Silakan Pak Zuraidah.
Okay, terima kasih Madam Ella di atas perkongsian mengenai reaction in carbonyl. Preparation ada dua ya, Madam Ella. Okay, sekarang ni kita akan teruskan chemical test. Okay, bahagian carbonyl ni pada Madam Zuraidah. Silakan Madam Zuraidah. Okay, Madam Zuraidah ni sibuk orangnya.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, kita akan sambung dengan last part of chemical reaction of carbonyl. Okay, okay, chemical identification test for carbonyl compound. Okay, boleh nampak ke Madam Z?
Okay, clear. Boleh teruskan.
Okay, kelas kita sambung untuk last part of chemical reaction, chemical identification test. Okay, for chemical identification test carbonyl compound, okay, kita ada 3 identification test untuk distinguish or differentiate aldehyde from ketones. Okay, so yang pertama chemical test kita adalah Brady test. Okay, number 2 Tolan test. Yang ketiga Eider-Form test. Okay, so kita pergi kepada chemical test yang pertama, Brady test. Okay. Okay. Brady test is condensation reaction. Okay, condensation reaction with Brady reagent. Okay, kelas. Apa itu Brady reagent? Okay, Brady reagent kita menggunakan 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay, atau short form dia 2,4-DNPH. Okay, ini adalah formula molecule for Brady reagent. Okay, so hydrazine is the parent name of Brady reagent. Okay, benzene attached to it as substituent, phenyl. Okay, so this phenyl possess another 2 functional group, nitro, attached to carbon number 2 and number 4. Okay, so ini adalah 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay, ini adalah structure untuk Brady reagent kita. Okay, so kita tengok kelas. Chemical reaction, how the Brady reaction react with our aldehyde and ketone. Okay, describe Okay, describe how 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine can be used to test for a carbonyl compound. Okay, class, so we add a few drops of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine to solution of the compound. Okay, simple aldehyde and ketone will give us a yellow precipitate. Okay, yellow precipitate, and aromatic aldehyde and ketones will give orange precipitate. Okay, so satu yellow, orange. Kalau kita dapat dua kali ni kelas, kita dapat positive result for Brady test. Okay. Okay, example for the chemical test for carbonyl, okay, we use propanol reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. So propanol is our ketone, okay. Propanol is our ketone. So kita tahu ini adalah ketone ya. So one type of ketone. Ketone react with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, we produce hydrogen compound. Okay, kita akan dapat new bonding between carbon and nitrogen. Okay, so the carbonyl we break the bonding. Okay, we attach at nitrogen atom of Brady reagent. Okay, we produce carbon nitrogen double bond. Okay, this is a hydrogen compound. Okay, Brady reagent, okay, 2,4-nitrophenohydrazine in methanol and sulfuric acid. Okay, we use the Brady reagent. The observation that we get, positive result, we give yellow or orange precipitate. Okay, both accepted. Thus, this color indicate the presence of aldehyde and ketone. Okay. Okay, number 2 class, kita proceed kepada tolerance test. Okay, tolerance test is a reaction of carbonyl compound. Tolerance test also called as silver mirror test. Okay, cermin perak lah. Okay, ujian cermin perak, kita boleh nampak silver mirror form dekat wall of test tube. Okay, the tolerant reagent, we use silver oxide in aqueous ammonia. Okay, aldehyde will give you positive result. Ketone akan bagi negative result lah. Okay, negative result, dia akan bagi positive result. Okay, in this reaction, aldehyde will oxidize to carboxylic ion. Okay, and grey metallic silver deposited on the wall of test tube has silver mirror. Okay, ini sebab nampak macam mirror. So silver mirror ni form dekat wall of test tube. Okay, general equation for tolerant test class, kita ada carbonyl compound, okay, which is aldehyde. Okay, react with tolerant reagent. Okay, kita akan dapat carboxylic ion and silver mirror. Okay, silver ion, okay, will undergo reduction, will produce grey metallic precipitate. Okay. Okay, next, ini adalah example class. Okay, kita ada aldehyde. Why cikgu panggil ni aldehyde class? Kita ada carbonyl group with hydrogen. Carbonyl group with hydrogen. This is our aldehyde. Cuma class yang ini example cikgu pakai aliphatic aldehyde. Okay, yang kat bawah ni we use aromatic aldehyde. Okay, aliphatic aldehyde treatment dengan tolerant reagent we produce carboxylic ion and silver mirror precipitate form, okay, on the wall of test tube. This is our observation. Okay, so ini pun sama kelas. Kalau kita, ini adalah propanol ya, aliphatic aldehyde, okay, sejenis jenis propanol. Ini aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde. React with tolerant reagent, we produce carboxylic ion in silver mirror. Observation sama kelas, silver mirror form on the wall of test tube. Okay, ini silver mirror kita. Kalau kita dapat silver grey metallic, okay, precipitate form dekat wall. So dia berkilat lah, okay, macam cermin perak. Okay, how about ketone class? Okay, this is our ketone. Okay, sorry. Okay, ni our ketone. Okay, ini ketone kita kelas. So, ini ketone. 3 carbon maksudnya propanol lah. Propanol react with tolerant reagent. No observable change. Okay, no silver mirror form of the wall test tube. Okay, kita tak nampak grey metallic silver deposited on the wall of test tube. So summary class, aldehyde will give you positive result with tolerant reagent, kita will negative result. Okay, silver mirror form, no silver mirror form. Okay, ini tak adalah. Okay, next kita pergi the third identification test for carbonyl compound class, isoform test. Okay, function isoform test. Okay, function at the form test class to detect methyl carbonyl and methyl ketone. Okay, produce carboxylic ion. Okay, same like tolerant reagent. Okay, cuma yang ini beza dia produce yellow precipitate of triiodomethane. Okay, the reagent we use is ID in sodium hydroxide, strong base. Okay, so kita nak cari apa kelas? Okay, either form test will give us positive result. Okay, when methyl group, okay, attached to the carbonyl group. Methyl group attached to carbon that have hydroxyl group. Okay, so ini kita panggil methyl carbonyl because methyl attached to carbonyl group. Ini kita panggil methyl carbinol because methyl attached to carbon that possess hydroxyl group. Okay, general equation for carbonyl compound. Okay, carbonyl compound we react with either form test, iodine in sodium hydroxide. We produce carboxylic ion and triiodomethane. Okay, kita akan nampak yellow precipitate. Okay. Okay, ini example equation. Okay, example chemical reaction, equation for either form test. Okay, so kita ada kat sini ketone class. Kita ada ketone. Okay, this is our carbonyl, but they possess methyl group here. React with either form test, we produce carboxylic ion and triiodomethane, yellow precipitate. Arrow ke bawah menandakan dia undergo reduction processnya to form yellow precipitate, very light yellow. Okay, second one also kita nampak carbon have hydroxyl group. Ini alcohol class. Okay, ini alcohol, ini kita punya aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde. So sama, this carbon alcohol, dia ada methyl group. Okay, react with either form reagent, we produce carboxylic ion, triiodomethane. Okay, ini result untuk kita punya yellow precipitate kat sini lah. Okay, ini positive result lah. Okay, positive result. Kita akan dapat yellow. Okay, untuk gambar lebih jelas kelas, okay, masa eksperimen kita akan dapat warna macam ni lah. Okay, ini adalah result untuk either form test, very light yellow. Okay, kita akan dapat yang ini. Okay kelas, so the last part of chemical test atau identification test, cara kita jawab soalan kelas. Okay, cikgu summary kan ya, ringkaskan kat sini. Bila kita jawab soalan chemical test, kita kena ada 6 item ya, jawapan supaya kita tak hilang markah. Kita panggil chain of answer tu dia saling berkaitan dan kita kena lengkapkan, baru dapat full mark lah. So chemical test ni kelas, kita start dengan name of test. So kita kena tahu name of test. Example, kita guna tolerant test. Reagent. The reagent we use, the medium, the condition. Dia panas ke, sejuk ke, alkaline ke, basic atau acidic medium, kita kena tahulah. Function of test. Contohnya tolerant test, function to distinguish aldehyde from ketone. Equation, we must write the equation for both compound yang kita nak distinguish tu lah, yang kita nak differentiate, nak bezakan. Example aldehyde with tolerant, we produce carboxylic and silver mirror form. One equation with one observation, silver mirror form. Another equation, ketone with tolerant reagent, no reaction. No silver mirror form. So equation dan observation ni penting, kena ada 2 equation, 2 observation untuk 2 compound. Yang kita nak bezakan. Last part class, deduction macam summary, our result. So from the chemical test, kita boleh conclude hexanal give positive tolerant test. Precipitate form has a silver mirror on the wall of test tube. Ini result yang positif. Hexanon do not react with tolerant reagent, give negative result. Ini negative result. Class, that's all untuk hari ini ya. Part chemical test bagi carbonyl compound. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih kepada Madam Zuraidah tentang penerangan yang panjang lebar mengenai chemical test dan cara nak menjawab chemical test. Kita nak buang masa lagi. Awak nak study petang ni kan untuk UPS 2. UPS 2 kita mula pada pukul 3 petang lebih kurang. Dan kita akan masuk chapter benzin dan juga apa lagi chapter? Awak bisa tahu kan? So dengan ini kami mengucapkan good luck. Selamat tinggal. Jumpa lagi. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Terima kasih di hati.